Hey everyone, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Got me a baby box. What in the world is in this tiny little box? Well, I'm super excited to show you. You ever been to Branson or Gatlinburg or just a tourist place and they have all these cute little tiny shops, you know, and then you walk into the shop and you see this entire wall of metal signs. You know what I'm saying? And you're like, oh my goodness, that has the funniest saying. I need to buy that for friend so-and-so, or I need to put that in my dining room, or I need to hang that by my front door or in my garage, right? You see those signs and you walk up to the sign, you flip it over to see how much it costs, and you're like, sticker shock. That happens to me all the time. Almost every time I go on vacation, I walk into one of those little touristy metal sign shops and I see something cute that I really want, but I am totally unwilling to spend that much money. Mainly because I'm frugal and because I know I can get it cheaper. And now you can get it cheaper on hookedonpickin.com. So this is a tiny little box that is packed full of lots of funny stuff. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so this is a tiny little box. Paul ordered all of these signs, and they are signs that are funny and have funny sayings. I have no idea what any of them say.
They're really funny.
Paul thinks they're hilarious. So we're going to find out what they are. They're going to be available at hookedonpickin.com. And I'm just going to say right off the bat, I think we're going to basically do $14.99.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Okay, so $14.99 is going to be the cost on each one of these signs, and I have no idea what any of them say. So
some of them are a little close to the line.
Some of them are a little bit crazy.
What are you going to do?
So they're all this size.
Should be 11 if I'm thinking right.
Yeah, let me see if they show the size of the sign. They're all 8 by 12s. 8 by 12s, 11 different styles. And if there's a favorite that you guys love, I'd love for you to put it down in the comment section below. Or if you have a specific saying that you're looking for.
I found this company in Texas that does the signs.
Okay. So it says.
I love that.
Attention! Focus, aim, and flush.
Thank you.
Those of you who have boys know exactly what we're talking
Isn't that
about.
awesome?
Yes, I think
That's
this.
an awesome sign.
I really think that this needs to be hung right behind the toilet, so it does focus you.
Church. That's what I'm doing.
So that one's really funny. Then we have 5 cents. Get more coffee. Bottomless cup.
I was thinking this would be good around your kitchen or around your coffee maker.
Yep, hang this in the kitchen.
Kind of a cute little piece there.
Yep, and they're all really, really nice. They're metal signs.
Yeah, it's got the distressed look.
Mm-hmm.
I'm way more excited than this than Heather probably. But
no, this one is going to probably go buy one of my coffee makers.
Yeah.
So, yeah. All right, this one's really cute. Let's all go to the kitchen. You guys remember that commercial?
Yeah.
Let's go into the kitchen. I think that's how it goes. Let's go into the kitchen. Let's go into the kitchen and grab ourselves a snack. I remember this with the little dancing, little hot dog that did a little jig.
Yeah, you said this at movie theaters too.
Yep.
So we'll go into the lobby. But, of course.
This one I remember seeing on a commercial, though. I love that commercial. I used to sing it all the time.
It's pretty cool.
I love that one. All right. Ooh. I need to keep one of these.
That's right.
U.S. Army veteran. I am a U.S. Army veteran. So that's a cool one.
A nice sign.
That's a really cool sign. Then we have laundry. Drop your pants here. Yes, I love that one. That one's fantastic.
Drop your pants.
Drop your pants here. It's such a happy little washing machine. If only I would look that happy when I did laundry.
Yeah, I only got 2 of each for now.
We're just going to try it out, and if we really sell out, or you guys have a favorite, then we can order more. All right, first I drink the coffee, then I do the things.
Isn't that awesome?
Mm-hmm.
I thought same kind of thing if you're trying to do a cafe-style theme or whatnot.
Well, and it's kind of that mocha-colored theme, with that burgundy and oranges and...
Yeah.
You know, then kind of nature tones.
Yep, I think they're perfect. And they've both got the holes that you can screw in.
Yep.
They don't come with any hardware, but I still like them. I like it.
They're really cool.
pretty nice.
All right.
And they are metal.
They are all metal, yep. They're all 8 by 12. Okay, what is this one? Notice, unless you are delivering pizza, Thin Mint cookies, or Amazon packages, go away. No, that's the no soliciting sign.
Soliciting.
No soliciting. Go away.
I don't know.
That's really funny.
My humor is a little off.
I love it. I think it's fantastic.
And I like the distressed look.
Remember, $14.99 is what we're going to charge for all of these. So normally when I go to a Branson store, it's like $30 for one of these.
Well, sometimes they're a little bit bigger ones, but they're at least 20,
yeah,
25. We've seen them all over the place that way. I just like that.
Okay.
I thought that'd be nice for a kitchen.
Homemade pies, 5 cents. Don't be shy. Try some pie. Cherry, apple, blueberry, chocolate. This needs to hang in your mom's kitchen because she makes the best pies.
I thought it'd be a nice little thing for a kitchen.
Yeah, I like them.
For sure.
Then we have fresh popcorn, butter, 1 cent. Jumbo, large, and small. Look at the prices on that.
Wouldn't that be awesome?
That would be awesome.
And this I thought you could put, like if you try to do a movie room or a
entertainment
area, man cave, she shed, that kind of thing. I thought
yeah.
That'd be kind of nice. You could also put that in the kitchen if you wanted to.
Yeah, you could. This is just really cute. All right, then we have, if something here offends you, please let us know. We could use a good laugh. That's just saying, don't be offended by everything. Don't take yourself too seriously. Just calm down and laugh about it.
That's right.
That's what you need to do. I love this. I need a t-shirt that says that. All right.
I like that one too. This one here.
Country roads take me home.
We don't have the rights to that song.
I know, but...
Okay.
Is that the last one?
It might be. I like them.
Yep, that's the last one. So we have all of these different kinds.
Tell me which one is your favorite.
Which one is your favorite of all of these signs? So I personally love the Happy Little Laundry Machine. Of course, the U.S. Army veteran one. But they're going to be $14.99 on Hooked on Pickin. I know this is a little bit of a shorter video, but we wanted to show you. And so remember, you have that wall of metal signs at the tourist place. Well, instead of doing that, tell us what's a phrase that you've been on the hunt for. Maybe you've seen it at one of those touristy places or you've seen it online and you really want one. Leave it in the comment section below and Paul can go on the hunt at this sign wholesaler that we've been buying from and see if he can't find it. If not, we might be able to find something similar. So hopefully you guys had fun watching this unboxing. Go straight to hookedonpickin.com to buy any of these signs and they'll be available right there. If we sell out, please send us a message. Let us know that you want more of them and we're going to order them lickety-split. It's usually about a week and we'll have them back in stock. So if we sell out really fast, then let us know. Hopefully you love this unboxing and that it didn't offend you. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We have got popcorn on sale. If you've not been on Facebook and seen our ad lately, every single flavor, we have 24 different flavors of Bell's Gourmet Popcorn made right here in the United States, and we have $2 off on every single flavor in every single bag. It's automatically added currently right now for the month of September in your cart. So you don't have to have a promo code or anything. You just buy it and each bag has $2 off. So that's some dirt cheap savings right there. So go and stock up on all the different kinds of flavors of popcorn you want so that you have all those different fun treats for your relaxing evenings at home. And of course, thanks for watching.